It's not time to make a change. Just relax, they say. You're still young, but you're old. There's so much you have to know. My girl, settle down. If you want, you can marry. Look at me, I'm old but I'm happy. I was once like you are now, and I know that's not easy to become when you found something going on. But take your time, think a lot, think of everything you got, or you will still by here tomorrow, but your dreams may die. How can I try to explain when I do it turns away again? It's always been the same old story. From the moment I could talk, I was ordered to listen. Now there's a way, and I know that I have to go away. I know I have to go. It's not time to make a change. Just sit down, take it slowly. You're still young, but you're old. There's so much you have to go through. My girl, settle down. If you want, you can marry. Look at me, I'm old but I'm happy. Only times that I cried, giving all the things I need inside. It's not all, but it's hard to ignore them. If they were right, I'd agree, but it's them they know, not me. There's a way, and I know I've got to go away. I know I have to go.